Dear students, let us try to understand the topic principles of lending. Dear students, we all know that banks they provide loans and advances, they lend money to its customers. While lending money, the banks follow certain principles which are known as principles of lending. One of the important principles of lending is liquidity. In this principle, banks lend for short periods only because they lend public money which can be withdrawn at any time by the depositors, and therefore they want to keep the money as liquid as possible. Another principle of bank lending is safety. The safety of funds lent is an important principle because banks cannot afford to lose the money that it gives as loans because it is public money, and when the depositors are going to want the money, the bank will have to give the depositors back their money, and therefore safety of the money that is given as loans that is lended by the bank is another important principle of bank lending. The third important principle of bank lending is diversity. That means the banks, while lending money, should not give the loans to only one type of customers or only one customers. Rather, they should diversify in giving loans and advances, and thereby they should minimize the risk. So this is the principle of diversity. It should not invest its surplus funds in a particular type of security, but in different types of securities. The fourth important principle of bank lending is stability. And we all know that an investment option which is volatile, which is not sure what return it is going to give, we all do not feel like choosing that investment option. So this is true for banks. Banks also look for investment options or customers or borrowers who are stable and who have the credibility of returning the money. The fifth principle of lending is profitability. Bank is not going to do any charity. Bank is going to give money for profit, and when bank earns profit, then only bank enjoys the benefit of giving loans. So therefore profitability is another principle of bank lending.